Brain fog is the inability to have a sharp memory or to lack a sharp focus. You just really feel like you're not yourself and you're unable to think clearly. Brain fog can come in many forms and often follows certain behaviors or circumstances that we humans find ourselves in, such as lack of sleep or low-quality sleep, poor nutrition and hydration, stress, anxiety, and a number of other factors. Let's dive into some of these in more detail. There are 5 common causes of brain fog. Lack of sleep. One of the leading causes in my opinion. This also includes low-quality sleep. During sleep, the brain reorganizes and recharges itself. Further, it removes toxic waste byproducts which have accumulated throughout the day. This indicates and demonstrates that quality sleep can clear the brain fog and help maintain its normal functionality. Poor hydration. According to H. Mitchell, the brain and heart are composed of 73% water. You need to drink water frequently in order to have high mental performance and clarity. The quality of water is also important, and I suggest natural spring water or alkaline water. Poor nutrition. The gut is often considered a second brain. Let's keep this one simple. In saying fast food and sugar is typically not going to yield mental clarity. Lack of exercise. According to Scientific America, exercise increases heart rate, which pumps more oxygen to the brain. It also aids the release of hormones which provide an ideal environment for the growth of brain cells. Additionally, exercise promotes brain plasticity by stimulating growth of new connections between cells in many important cortical areas of the brain. Stress and anxiety. Prolonged anxiety, stress, or panic attacks can cause your brain to release stress hormones on a regular basis. This can increase the frequency of symptoms such as headaches, dizziness, and depression. Needless to say, brain fog follows chronic, and even acute stress or anxiety. Now let's find out how to get rid of brain fog. Let's start by examining the quick hacks and then get into the lifestyle changes. It's important to note that supplementation can help with achieving mental clarity. Nootropics are an excellent way to support a lifestyle that already is conducive to mental clarity. One of the simplest ways I have been able to overcome brain fog is by organizing. Creating lists is a great approach to organizing one's thoughts and actions. I feel much more focused after a detailed to-do list has been created. 1. Clean up the diet. The gut is comprised of 100 million neurons, which is the network of nerve cells lining the digestive tract. This vast network is so extensive that it is often referred to as the second brain. This gut region of the body is technically known as the enteric nervous system. This network of neurons can often be overlooked. However, it contains more nerve cells than the spinal cord or peripheral nervous system. Poor diet can lead to inflammation of the gut, which essentially means second brain fog. Inflammation is one of the leading causes of illness and disease, and is often associated to poor eating habits as well as lack of hydration. Simply put, clean up your diet and you'll notice remarkable clarity. 2. Sleep better. During sleep, your brain repairs and restores itself, much like the rest of your body and its DNA and cells. Quality sleep gives an opportunity to reduce DNA damage accumulated in the brain during wakefulness. Much research around sleep and its effects on the brain has found there is a link between sleep, chromosome dynamics, neuronal activity, and DNA damage and repair with direct physiological relevance to the entire organism. Getting to sleep earlier and following a healthy circadian rhythm with quality sleep and REM cycles is of the utmost importance. 3. Exercise often. One of the more obvious remedies is regular exercise. There's more than just brain-boosting benefits that come with exercise. Exercising often can enlarge the areas of the brain associated with memory, task management, coordination, planning and inhibition. What does that mean in simple terms? Less brain fog. 4. Reduce anxiety with meditation. Meditation has been proven to reduce anxiety and depression by returning one to a more harmonious state. Mindfulness meditation is a wonderful practice that you can adopt whereby you focus on being intensely aware of what you're sensing and feeling in the moment, without interpretation or judgment. Consistency is key when it comes to maintaining mental clarity. I suggest creating a routine or habit of practicing good nutrition, sleeping well, and getting regular exercise. After a routine has been established, you can start to experiment with nootropic supplements. Mental clarity won't come overnight, so be prepared to commit to yourself and your own personal growth going forward. I wish you all the best on your journey of mental clarity and encourage you to reach out with updates and progress. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos.